Hello and welcome, my dear students, in the second segment of the chapter, the Judiciary. In the first segment, we understood about the basic structure of the Indian judiciary. In today's session, we are going to understand about the different functions or the jurisdictions of Supreme Court. So let's begin. As we all know that the Supreme Court is the apex court of the entire Indian judiciary, and it came into being on January 28, 1950. But did you know who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court? So let's find it out. The inaugural proceedings of the Supreme Court were carried out by the Chief Justice Harilal J. Kania along with the 5 other justices. And gradually the change appeared in the basic structure, and now Supreme Court of India comprises one Chief Justice and not more than 33 other judges. The Chief Justice and the other judges are appointed by the President of India. Being so important, the Supreme Court has threefold jurisdictions or functions. The first one is original jurisdiction, second one is appellate jurisdiction, the third one is advisory jurisdiction. So let's understand it in detail. Original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court involves issues brought before it directly. Why it happened so? Because Supreme Court is the highest interpreter of the Constitution. At the apex of the judicial pyramid, the Supreme Court passes judgments on the following cases: disputes between the Government of India and one or more states, disputes between the Government of India and any state or states on one side and one or the more states on the other side, disputes between two or more states which involves any question of law or fact on which the existence or extent of a legal right depends. Last but not the least is the violation of the Constitution by the government or person. The Supreme Court is also known as the guardian of the fundamental rights of the citizens, as any person whose fundamental rights are violated can directly approach the Supreme Court for remedy. The second type of function is of appellate jurisdiction. The Supreme Court is the highest court of appeal. It means that it hears appeals from civil and criminal cases decided in the high courts and other tribunals. The third and most important jurisdiction of the Supreme Court is that Supreme Court can advise the President if needed, but at the same time, President is not bound to follow the decision or the advice given by the Supreme Court. Other than these three main jurisdictions, the Supreme Court also has some other powers like revisory powers, judicial review, and court of record. So let's understand in detail. According to the revisory jurisdiction, the Supreme Court is empowered to review any judgment or order passed by it. The intention behind this is to remove any error or mistake that may have given in the judgment. The second type of power is judicial review. It means that the Supreme Court of India has the highest responsibility of protecting and interpreting the Constitution of India. It can review any law or order passed by the central or the state government for constitutional validity, and at the same time it has the power to reject any law or its part which is found to be unconstitutional. The third and the most important is that the Supreme Court is having the power as a court of record. According to this power, the Supreme Court's decisions and judicial proceedings have evidential value and cannot be questioned by any other subordinate courts. So that's all for today. I hope you all understood it properly. Thanks for watching.